नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? In this lesson, I am going to show you words with the four consonants the, dh, d and dh. The first two are dental, the and dh. The next two are retroflex, d and dh. So first we will start with the. तो पहला शब्द है दो, मतलब टू, एक दो तीन, 1 2 3, दो इज टू। दूसरा शब्द है दिल, दिल मतलब हार्ट। I hope you remember the types of words that we learnt in lesson number 16. A masculine word not ending with a, it will remain the same in its plural form. So even if I want to say two hearts, it would be do dil. ठीक? Making some phrases is a good way to remember the vocabulary, and I think that songs are a very good way to make your learning fun. Here is one line from a popular song that I'm going to pronounce now. दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके so दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, two hearts are meeting. So दो दिल, two hearts, मिल रहे हैं are meeting. So रहे, not रही, because दिल is masculine, not रहा because we are talking about plural, and हैं not है because we are talking about plural. मगर, but, चुपके चुपके, secretly. ठीक है? So दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके. The third word is thus. Thus means 10. The next is अगला है जिंदगी. Zindagi has a Z sound, a Z sound, and the plural of zindagi is zindagiyan. And the next is dukan. Dukan is a shop. The plural of dukan is dukane. Feminine words ending with e have suffix iya in the plural form, while feminine words not ending with e have a suffix a. Zindagi, zindagiyan, dukan, dukane. Now the next are darwaza, darwaze, darwaza, darwaza, diwar, diwar, a wall. Darwaza means a door and diwar means a wall. Hindi. And the last word is dost. Dost matlab friend. Although dost can be used for a male friend or a female friend, but grammatically is considered as a masculine word. ठीक है? Now, words with dh. दूध, दूध, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धरती, धरती, धड़कन, धड़कन. These are two lines from a song from the movie called Veer Zara. Because it's a song, the sentences are not in the standard form, but you can try to listen the pronunciation and understand how adjectives work, of course. धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा. Dharti is earth, land. Sunehri means golden. Because Dharti is female, we have used Sunehri, not Sunehra or Sunehre. And then Ambar is sky, because sky is male, Ambar is male, it is Neela. and हर मौसम रंगीला, every season is colorful. हर means every, मौसम means season, रंगीला is colorful. ऐसा देश है मेरा, in standard form मेरा देश ऐसा है. My country is like this. The land is golden, the sky is blue, and every season is colorful. Such is my country. So here you can see that the lyricist has written this instead of the word desh. But in songs and poems, the writers have the liberty of using a different form. We have a sentence with dhadkan. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. Now, this is a very simple sentence with the subject as तुम, that is you. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, that is you live in the beats of my heart. दिल की धड़कन, the beats of the heart. May is the postposition. In English, we have prepositions that the preposition come before the noun. In Hindi, the postposition comes after the noun. So, तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो. You live in the beats of my heart. Now come words with d. D. Retroflex, voiced, unaspirated, without exhalation of air. Thanda, thande, or thandi, that is cold. Different forms of the same adjective, masculine singular, masculine plural, and feminine. So thanda, thande, thandi, that is cold. The next word is anda and ande. Anda, egg, ande, eggs. ठीक है. Dabba, dabbe, that is box or a container, or boxes, containers. An example is like दूध बहुत ठंडा है. दूध बहुत ठंडा है. Subject, verb, singular, singular. Masculine noun, masculine adjective. The milk is very cold. ठीक है. Now comes the final sound, that is dh. Retroflex, voiced, aspirated. Dh. ढक्कन, ढक्कन. ढक्कन means lid. बोतल का ढक्कन कहाँ है? बोतल का ढक्कन कहाँ है? बोतल का ढक्कन कहाँ है? Where is the lid of the bottle? ढाई, ढाई मतलब 2.5, ढाई. अंकल 2.5 किलो आलू दे दो. In India, every random man can be called uncle. So if a person is very elderly than you, that is somewhat 20 years older, 25 years older, you can call them uncle. Uncle 2.5 kilo aloo de do. I am purchasing potatoes and I want to say, uncle please give me 2.5 kilos of potatoes. Uncle 2.5 kilo aloo de do. Dholak. Dholak is a percussion musical instrument. It's very popular in India. मुझे ढोलक बजाना पसंद है. I like playing ढोलक बजाना, to play an instrument. मुझे ढोलक बजाना पसंद है. मुझे ढोलक बजाना बहुत पसंद है. I like playing ढोलक a lot. ठीक है. Here I finished the lesson. In the next lesson we are going to start conjugation of verbs. ठीक है. Let's meet in the next lesson. अगले lesson में फिर से मिलते हैं. नमस्ते.